Massive Russian spearheads are pushing steadily forward today against retreating German troops in the southwestern Ukraine and in Old Poland. Red armies have smashed to within striking distance of 3 German escape railroads. Pushing on rapidly from captured Ilyinsky, 40 miles east of Zhemerinka, one of General Vatutin's spearheads has brought the Odessa to Warsaw Railroad under attack. The cutting of this vital line of communication would force the Germans in the south to depend on secondary long-way-around railroads through Romania. Another Red Army group is less than 11 miles northeast of the junction town of Mironovka on the Belayat-Sirkov to Smelia Railroad. And in addition, Vatutin's advance units have practically made the east-west railway from Smelia to the Odessa to Warsaw line useless. Red Army troops are only 11 miles north of this line, which is the main German escape route across the southern Ukraine. Meanwhile, General Konev is developing his drive from captured Kirovograd. He's smashing at the rear of the German forces in the Dnieper Bend and increasing the threat to Krivoy Rog and Nikopol, the iron, coal, and manganese centers in the southeast. Red Army observers report that roads in the captured Kirovograd area are covered with smashed enemy guns, lorries, and crippled automobiles. To the northwest, Soviet columns in Old Poland are reported 5 miles east of the town of Sarny, capture of which would cut a 4th vital rail line which links the German armies to the north and south. American and British troops in the Allied Fifth Army in Italy have beaten off German counterattacks and reached a point within 4 miles of Cassino, the important town which guards the road to Rome. Reports from the front say terrific mountain battles are now underway, battles unlike anything seen in this war since the Greeks fought Italians in Albania 2 years ago. American troops fighting with bayonets and hand grenades pushed the Germans out of their strong positions in the village of Justo, and they've now driven into the heights closer to Cassino. Allied planes continue to hammer the continent.